Hello everyone, this is Hassan with HandyBros and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be replacing our old existing chandelier with a fandelier. So a fandelier is a combination of a chandelier as well as a ceiling fan. The good thing about fandelier is that you get both options of a ceiling fan and a chandelier, and at the same time you don't need to worry about replacing your existing electrical box to make it rated for your ceiling fan, because these fandeliers are very lightweight and you can put it on your standard electrical box that is already on your ceiling, and you do not need to upgrade your electrical box for a ceiling fan rated. This is a sponsored video by Parrot Uncle. We thank Parrot Uncle for sending us this fandelier to test it out and let everyone know about the exciting features. The Parrot Uncle makes a variety of ceiling fans, chandeliers, fandeliers, and other lighting fixtures, so do check out their website for all of the product range. I'm gonna send a link down below in the description that you can take a look. Let's get started. We're gonna start with doing the unboxing followed by installation of the fandelier. Before we start the installation, we are going to do some assembly beforehand, and then we'll just simply mount it to the ceiling. It also comes with an extension rod, so if you want to extend the length of your fandelier, you can just add this on top of it along with the assembly, so that you can extend your height of your fandelier. Alright guys, so it's time now to replace our existing chandelier with the fandelier, and this is the chandelier that we'll be replacing and upgrading it to a fandelier. Before you start anything, just make sure your switch is turned off, and if you want to take more precaution, I would just suggest just turn off the breaker so that there is no accidental power or something, or someone turning the switch on while you're working. So make sure there is no power. Next step is to mount the bracket with the screws that came in with it. Next, we will going to install the receiver. Gonna connect the black wire with the black, white with the white, and the ground with the ground one. Now it's time to mount the fandelier. Alright, now the installation of the fandelier is complete. It's time to test it out. So you have 3 different fan settings: low, medium, and high, and then the light on and off. It's amazing. I mean, the air that comes out, it's pretty good. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned how to replace a chandelier with a fandelier. You can also use a similar method to replace your chandelier with a new one or install a ceiling light. And once again, thanks to Parrot Uncle for sending us such a great product. And check out more videos on our channel. And if you haven't subscribed, so make sure you subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Until next time, see you soon. Goodbye.